Hi everyone, it's Claire from Claire's Food Haven. I am super excited today. This just got delivered. It's the COSORI TwinFry air fryer. There we go, this is the outside box and it weighs 11.7 kilograms. So I'm just going to unbox it now. Use my kitchen scissors to cut along the sellotape. It's a big box. Wow, it's massive. Dual Blaze TwinFry 10 litre air fryer. Welcome to a world of possibilities. Wow, this is exciting. So we've got another box to unwrap here, guys. Just on the floor, a bit of good. Pull it out. It's tight, which is good, which means that it'll have been nice and snug in its transport, which is what we want. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is the inner packaging, inner box. 2 dishes, 2 ways. 4 heaters cook evenly. Looks good. I'm excited to try this. Use up to 95% less oil. Uses less energy than a conventional oven. Look inside. Okay, so we've got here nice little booklet. Ooh, user manual. Right, we'll be having a look at that for sure. That's good. What's this? Quick start guide. Right, excellent. Let's just get these little bits out. We've got some trays there, which I'll be looking at the instructions to see how this all goes together. Oh, it's even got some tongs. That's nice. Brilliant. That's the plug. So we've got some polystyrene here on the top. Just going to lift that up. And this is the actual air fryer. Getting closer now. It's got one of these sort of polystyrene plastic type bags over it. So I'm going to pull it out. See if I can do it like this. Put your hand underneath it. Yeah. Whoa, there we go. Just put it gently down. Take the sticky packaging off. Wow. Right, okay. It's got some instructions on the top there. Right, this is the plug. We've got a normal plug, which is good, so that'll be going into my, it's got a little bit of plastic on the thing, that'll be going up there once we unravel it, because there's a little tie at the back of it, just a little plastic tie thing that I'm just taking off now, so we can get a little bit more length on that plug so you can see it's a good length. That'll reach that socket. Now it says here, read caution on back, cooking in the grand zone. Ah, right, okay. Cooking hot surface, do not fill with oil, this is not a deep fryer. So this cooking in the grand zone, cook a large batch of food by using the entire basket like a traditional air fryer. So it has got some instructions on top here, and it says on the instructions, peel before use. So I'll be taking that off before we use it. It says here, before you get started, there's packaging inside. Before plugging in, remove the baskets and discard all packaging material. Firmly insert the crisper, plates and divider into the basket, then place the basket inside the air fryer. So these must be these bits here, right? Note, when inserting the crisper plates, tilt the crisper plate to one side first and press down on the other side. The crisper plates can only fit one way in the basket. Okay, so there's these little plastic tape things on each side of the drawer. So I'm just going to take them off. We're going to open the drawer, see if we can do it with one hand. Yes, we can. Very easy to do, that's good. Take the drawer out, it's nice and light. Nice handle on it too. And there's another little bit of plastic tape there with a cardboard, bit of piece of cardboard there. And just having a look inside, you can see there's heat elements there on the top and on the bottom. I've taken off the rest of the stickers. The instructions wanted me to wash inside the drawer and wash the plates and the divider and dry them. So I've done that. It said wash them thoroughly. And it also wanted me to wipe the outside and the inside of the air fryer with a damp cloth. I've done that also, and I've dried it off. So I'm just going to put the baskets into these parts into the air fryer now. Now on the instructions it says, I'll show you what it says. That number 1, and you've got a number 2. So you've got a number 1 here. Can you see that? And a number 2 there. So the number 1 is going, yeah, so number 1 fits in at this end. Push it in like that. And then you've got your divider here with CASORI written on the top. So I'll put that. And then that goes in the middle like that. And then you've got your next plate here. Again, it's got a 1 and a 2 on it. So you put in the 1 at this end. Just putting it down like that. Fits in nice and easy. Yeah, they are good to go. Now say we want to take them out and clean them. Let's see how easy that is. So I'm just taking out the middle part. Nice and easy, and it's got nice little handles in the middle like that. They just pull up really easy. So we can take them out and give them a clean. There we go. Everything fits nice and snug. They've got these little rubber type corners on them there. Something else I read on the instructions, I'm just going to put this drawer back in, is that the air fryer needs 5 inches above it of space when you're using it and 5 inches at the back, which is quite a lot. So I'm going to pull it out here. That's a good 5 inch that. Now there's nothing above it, so that's good. So when we're using it, it'll be coming out here, you know. So I want to check that I can still, have I still got space to open my drawer and leave it on the side? Yes, I do. Oh, that is good. Right, I've just removed, there was a small warning sticker on the back of it and a small sticker right underneath on the bottom there. So I've just taken all the stickers off it, and it recommends that we do a test for 10 minutes to make sure it's working okay and to burn off. Oh, I've just switched it on there to burn off any potential residue in the drawer. So we're going to run a test. Stand by. So this is the on button. Ooh, it's very fancy. Now it wants us to run the test in grand zone because there are 3 zones for this. So you have zone 1 where that will just be working on the left side, and then zone 2 for the right side. And then the grand zone uses all of it. Okay, so we're going to put this on for, it recommends 10 minutes. So I'll just put that down to, it started at 20, put it down to 10 minutes at 200 degrees. And then I think we just press play and we'll let that do its thing. Yeah, it's got a good fan on it there, you can hear it, obviously you can hear it. I would say it's probably about the same volume as our old air fryer. It's a bit different, the sound. It just beeped and now it's doing a cool. It was cooling for about 30 seconds and now it just says end. I've pulled the baskets out, they're very hot. I'm going to leave them for about 10 minutes. There was a slight smell of residue when I started heating up the air fryer but that seems to have gone now, and I'm happy to cook in this once these baskets have cooled a bit. Baskets have cooled down and I'm ready to go with our first meal on this CASORI Twin Air Fry. So we're going to have some wholetail scampi on one side and some medium French fries from Aldi on the other side. Let's put them a good amount there for 2 people. I'm going to pop it in. There we go. Now this is quite cool. The little book that it comes with, this book here, it tells you how long you want to cook things for and what temperature. So it says here breaded shrimp, which is a bit like breaded scampi. 205 temperature, 10 to 12 minutes. So we'll put the scampi on for 205. We've got air fry, roast, bake, grill, reheat, dry. All these functions, folks, isn't that brilliant? We're going to air fry it for 12 minutes. Now for the medium fries, French fries, medium cut, 195. So we'll press zone 2, 195. And we want that for 18 to 20 minutes. So that, yeah, we'll leave them at 20 minutes. Now something cool, if you want, because these are cooking at different times, so if you want them to finish at the same time, you press sync like that. So they will finish cooking at the same time. So I think how that works is it pauses one side whilst the other side gets going, and then it starts that other side so that they both finish cooking at the same time, which I think is a really nice feature. And then we hit play. There we go. That's it, it's finished. It went on cool for about 30 seconds, maybe a minute before it ended. I was expecting a little beep at the end there, but I didn't get one. Just going to pull it out. Oh, wow. I think I maybe put the chips on a bit long. You can see them there. Yeah, I think the chips are a bit overdone, but the scampi looks great. So I'll know next time that those French fries, they don't need as long as that. Scampi there. Scampi smells lovely. Can't wait to get stuck into this. And a few chips. Or fries, if you want to call them that. But yeah, I have overcooked those fries, but that's okay. When you get a new appliance, you've got to learn how to use it. So this is all part of it. I'm delighted with this COSORI TwinFry air fryer. It's clearly an efficient cooking machine. It was easy to set up, very easy to use, and it's got some great functions on it, like you can bake, you can air fry, you can roast, you can grill, you can reheat, and the separate cooking compartments give me many options when it comes to cooking tea and other meals and baking cakes. I can't wait to bake a cake on it, do some roast dinners in it, and the proof's in the pudding, right? So let's have a little taste of this scampi and see how well it's cooked it. Mmm. Tastes lovely. Of course I put some salt and vinegar on them, bit of ketchup. Bon appetit.